Just in case you don't know it, I am a country girl. Hello, my Prices family, and welcome back to the channel. It's quite cold out here. You see the smoke coming out of my mouth. Yeah, it's quite chilly today. Today is Monday. However, Friday is Good Friday. We really want to get seeds in the ground. Hopefully we will have a break in this up and down cold, hot weather. So shout out to my baby brother tilling our garden. So you know what to do, stick and stay. All spring, summer long, Mom and I will be showing you our garden, giving you tips and tricks, especially for beginners. You know, we do in-ground and container gardening as well. So you know what to do, stick and stay. If you're new, continue to watch the channel, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Now, back to me doing what I need to do. Yeah, stay tuned. My job is to rake all of the excess grass out of our small garden. And yeah, it was a lot of grass. How many of you, my Prices family, love planting your own vegetables and fruits? Please drop it down in the comments below. Now, this was a busy day here on the Johnson Ranch. Not only were we prepping our garden space, but we were also doing spring cleaning. Yeah, cutting grass, raking leaves, all of the things. All of the things. Just in case you don't know it, I am a country girl. Yeah, I'm pretty when I need to be, but I know how to work with my hands. I'm a country girl, and I'm not ashamed. Well, that's enough break. back to the raking. Trying to clear my property line. Yeah, back to the raking. Shout out again to my brother for coming in with the weed eater because for some reason, me and a weed eater, well, we don't quite get along. It's just the holding it up that hurts my shoulders. So, thanks, brother. I guess I'll have to bake you a chocolate cake real soon.
I don't like to see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there. But I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. I took it off of you to prove I gotcha. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow. So don't let go of me. Draw in close. Call out desperately when you need me the most. I am gone.
Hello, my priceless family. This is the next morning. And I forgot to show you a big project that my brother and I did on yesterday. So let's turn the camera around and show you that right now. Right here is a stack of cement blocks that my brother and I moved. Well, he moved most of them. And we created a burn pit here on the Johnson Ranch. Talk about hard labor. Well, that's all for today, but make sure to stick and stay because more outdoor refreshes, makeovers, they are on the way. Love Amazon? I do too. Make sure to check out my Amazon storefront, open 24/7. And who doesn't love Walmart? Of course, I have a Walmart storefront as well. Both links are in the description box and in the bio for your shopping convenience. Thanks again for stopping by and watching my video from start to finish because you know likes, comments, full watches help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Everyone, I mean everybody, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.